Are you looking for the best coin counter machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best coin counter machines that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Serpco's coin counter. This coin counter machine has a large hopper capacity. On average, this machine also counts 300 to 500 coins. Moreover, this model works with the coins with 15 to 28 mm thickness. The digital LCD screen shows the total amount and the numbers of coins. Nevertheless, this model automatically stops taking coins after filling. The coin bin settings are also capable of multitasking. Furthermore, this machine counts coins at the speed of 270 coins per minute. This coin counter comes along with customizable batch settings. However, the inbuilt carrying handle offers stress-free portability. This model makes an ideal choice for vending business purposes. At number 4, Calibri Professional USD Coin Counter. The inbuilt carrying handle lets you carry this device with no hassle. This coin counter machine also consists of a large LED screen. Moreover, the plastic coin tubes are quickly detachable. This machine is a combination of the sorter, counter, and roll wrapper. Nevertheless, the model has a counting speed of 220 coins per minute. You can also use this tool for counting nickels, dollars, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Furthermore, this unit consists of a large capacity of hopper. The one-touch button lets you set the batch amount accordingly. However, you can set the batch amount for both bins and tubes. At number 3, Casata Electronic Coin Counter. This coin sorter comes along with a 7-digit LED screen. The large buttons also make this coin counter machine user-friendly. Moreover, this money handling tool runs the counting digitally. This machine comes with 0 to 500 preset batching ranges. However, the mechanism has a counting speed of 250 coins per minute. This machine also includes separate denomination batching types. Furthermore, the coin drawer accommodates up to 900 dimes. The coin counter works with a 110-volt power supply. Nevertheless, the hopper is capable of storing up to 1500 counts of dimes. This machine can count, sort, and add coins. The batching and operating modes make this device quite practical. At number 2, Royal Sovereign 4-row coin counter. This coin counting tool is capable of counting 312 coins per minute. The 120-volt power supply also makes this module work consistently. Moreover, the smart LED screen shows the total dollar amount accurately. The coin counter can accommodate up to 800 coins at once. Nevertheless, you can effortlessly see the total amount by denominations. The anti-jam technology also makes sorting and counting trouble-free. Furthermore, the digital counting process reduces the chances of wrong calculations. This 4-row counter comes with automatic row advancement. Hence, the filled-up coin tubes automatically move forward and continue the counting. However, this set includes 16 pieces of coin wrappers. At number 1, Casata Professional USD Coin Counter. This money-handling machine has a high-capacity hopper. This hopper can hold up to 2,000 coins at once. Moreover, the coin counter machine has a large LCD screen. Hence, this screen shows the numbers of coins, total amount, and dollar values. This machine can count, sort, batch, add and wrap the coins. Nevertheless, this machine counts 300 coins per minute. This coin counter also comes with a detachable tube. Therefore, this model offers hassle-free loading of the wrappers every time. The quick load coin tubes increase the practicality of this machine. However, this model can count US quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and dollars. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.